Need to use two accounts in one social app on your Samsung phone? Don't worry guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the Dual Messenger app on your phone. So let's get started. First, open up the settings, then scroll down, find out the advanced features option, then tap on it. Now scroll down again. After that, tap on the Dual Messenger option. Here, you will see all social apps. Turn on any messenger app like WhatsApp or Messenger. Next, tap on Install. It will ask you to confirm their disclaimer. Just tap Confirm. After that, it will ask you to add separate contact. If you want to add separate contacts, then follow the on-screen instructions. Otherwise, you can avoid it. If you have used the Dual Messenger feature before, then it will not ask for this disclaimer confirmation or separate contact permissions. I have installed these things before, that is the reason I can't show you. But I can surely say that this is a very simple process. After that, go back to the home screen and you will find Dual Messenger apps here. Now sign in with your other account. So guys, this is how you can enable the Dual Messenger app on your Samsung phone. Hope it helps. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below. Thanks for tuning in.